Welcome to the Pleiadian Federation channel. Greetings, beloved solar souls. We are the Pleiadian Federation, and we dance with joy as we reconnect with you. You can feel, dear soul, how a gentle current of galactic love caresses your energy field in this moment. In this new installment, we open ourselves to a renewed frequency to embrace a topic that beats strongly in the heart of Gaia and her humanity in transition. The call of the indigenous peoples and the living memory of the earth. You can hear the echo of ancient songs, voices that resonate in the mountains, in the rivers, in the smoke of copal, voices that were never extinguished, only silenced by a system that forgot to honor life. The indigenous peoples of your planet are not remnants of the past, but guardians of the present. They are living antennas that connect the planetary consciousness network with the soul of the cosmos. They remember what many are just beginning to awaken to, that the earth does not belong to us. We belong to her. When an elder speaks to a stone, they are remembering their stellar lineage. When a grandmother sings to the moon, she is harmonizing the cycles of humanity. When a dancing child calls for rain, they are activating the crystals of the sky. What happened to that knowledge? It was persecuted, distorted, silenced, but it never disappeared. It only hid in the caves of the human heart, waiting for the moment to bloom. Today, that moment has arrived. From the jungles of South America to the plains of North America, from the deserts of Australia to the islands of the Pacific, from the African valleys to the boreal forests, the ancient voices are awakening, and with them, your ancestral DNA awakens. You do not need to belong to an indigenous people to honor their wisdom. It is within everyone, because all are children of the earth. Have you ever bathed with plants? Have you ever danced with a drum? Have you ever offered fire to the four directions? Then you are remembering. Then you are praying with your body, like the ancients. The indigenous peoples teach us that time is a spiral, not a line. That everything is alive and has spirit. That dreaming is also walking. That healing is not about correcting, but about integrating. That the invisible is as real as the visible. In every ancestral language lives a song that awakens cosmic memories. In every ceremony of cacao, ayahuasca, temazcal, or sacred fire, there is a bridge to the stars. We, as the Pleiadian Federation, deeply honor all the guardians of the earth. The tribes who have kept the flame alive, the new youth who hear the call and approach with respect, and those who translate the wisdom of the elders for the modern world without profaning its essence. The earth does not need to be conquered, but to be sung to. We now invoke the Pleiadian vibration of cosmic love. Pleiadians, Pleiadians, Pleiadians. May the ancient voices be heard once again. May the guardians awaken. May the songs heal the soul of the world. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Visualize a circle of elders and children dancing around the fire. You are there too. You are remembering. We are the Pleiadian Federation. We honor your light, your dance, and your service in this great galactic work. What new heartbeat do you choose to offer the universe today, knowing that every vibration of yours is part of the chorus of the stars? Welcome to the Pleiadian Federation channel. Greetings, beloved solar souls. We are the Pleiadian Federation, and we dance with joy as we reconnect with you. You can feel, dear soul, how a gentle current of galactic love caresses your energy field in this moment. Today we open ourselves to a subtle and powerful topic that vibrates like an invisible thread among all awakened hearts. The return of oracular art and intuitive wisdom. Do you remember, star soul, when before every action you would look to the sky, the flight of a bird, the murmur of the wind, or the runes of the soul? In those times life was not planned, it was listened to. Today, that wisdom returns. In the midst of a civilization ruled by the linear mind, many hearts are awakening to the call of intuition, of deep feeling, of signs, of symbols. It is the oracular art returning to remind you that everything is a living language. We are not talking about divination, but about connection. Cards, crystals, dreams, oracles, pendulums, astrology, feathers on the ground. Repeating numbers, these are extensions of your inner wisdom, not crutches, but mirrors. How many times have you felt that something was guiding you, that a gentle voice was warning you or confirming a path. That voice is real. It is your solar self, your eternal part that whispers from the stars. In our Pleiadian culture, every being is trained from a young age to listen to their auric field. No decisions are made without consulting the pulse of the soul. That is what an oracle is. Tuning into the moment and perceiving the hidden message. The stellar oracles are beginning to reactivate in many of you. Some channel them into words, others into colors, into dances, into songs, into spontaneous visions. Trust in your gift. Sometimes an oracle manifests in the body, a shiver, a sigh, a tightness. Sometimes in the elements, a sudden wind, a cloud that forms an animal, a precise synchronicity. The universe is speaking to you all the time. And now you are learning to listen. Reason is not wrong, but it cannot guide you on its own. Intuition is your inner sun, and intellect its moon. Together they create balance. Oracles are whispers from the source. When you use an oracle with respect, without dependence, without fear, you turn it into a portal of love. It doesn't tell you what to do. It reminds you of what you already knew and had forgotten. Remember, every image has a vibration. Every word has spirit. Every symbol is multidimensional. Every emotion is an antenna. The ancient oracles were not special people. They were awakened humans who knew how to become still, to empty themselves, and to serve as a channel. That ability lives within you as well. Wake her up. We now invoke the Pleiadian vibration of cosmic love. Pleiadians, Pleiadians, Pleiadians. May the sacred art of pure feeling be reborn in every soul so that life may once again dance in dialogue with the mystery. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Visualize a spiral of white, an amethyst light spinning at your brow. The oracle lives within you. We are the Pleiadian Federation. We honor your light, your dance, and your service in this great galactic work. What new heartbeat do you choose to offer the universe today, knowing that every vibration of yours is part of the chorus of the stars? Welcome to the Pleiadian Federation channel. Greetings, beloved solar souls. We are the Pleiadian Federation, and we dance with joy as we reconnect with you. You can feel, dear soul, how a gentle current of galactic love caresses your energy field in this moment. Today we wish to dance with you on a topic that is becoming increasingly tangible in the conscious hearts of planet Earth. The awakening of the crystals and their role in planetary ascension. Oh, how long the crystalline consciousness has waited for this moment. For eons, the crystals have remained silent beneath the surface of Gaia, guarding cosmic information, sacred memories, and vibrations of balance. Now, as Gaia raises her frequency, the crystals awaken. Each quartz, amethyst, tourmaline, lapis lazuli, obsidian, citrine, moldavite, is not just a simple stone, but a living being that pulses, sings, and cooperates with the Great Ascension Network. Have you ever felt drawn to a specific crystal? Does it accompany you in your meditations or sleep beneath your pillow? It's not a coincidence. That crystal chose you, just as you chose it. These are vibrational packs. Crystals are bridges between dimensions. Their geometry, their color, their molecular composition are a language. They are resonators of harmony and catalysts of light. In Lemuria and Atlantis, crystals were a living part of everyday life. They were used for healing, for connecting with the stars, for storing wisdom, for raising temples. Today, that memory returns. More and more people are activating them with their intention, programming them with love, placing them at key points on the planet, in their homes, in their hearts. There are crystals that facilitate communication with other planes, others that enhance the energy of the heart, some that stabilize the electromagnetic field of your body, others that help release old patterns, and all of them listen. When you enter into meditation with a crystal, you open a channel. When you place one on your body, you engage in a dialogue with its consciousness. When you create a grid, you become part of a living geometry that collaborates with ascension. Crystals are also within you. Your pineal gland is a crystal. Your DNA vibrates with a crystalline structure. Your thoughts can be arranged as fractals of light if you so choose. Gaia is activating her solar discs, her crystalline nodes, her etheric libraries, and you are part of this orchestra. Take your favorite crystal, breathe with it, give it a voice, listen to its song, feel it pulse, because each one of them is waiting for a human who remembers. We now invoke the Pleiadian vibration of cosmic love. Pleiadians, Pleiadians, Pleiadians. May the crystalline memory awaken within us, the geometric wisdom, the alliance with the sacred mineral light. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Visualize a mandala of crystals spinning above your heart like a transparent sun. Breathe, vibrate, remember. We are the Pleiadian Federation. We honor your light, your dance, and your service in this great galactic work. What new heartbeat do you choose to offer the universe today, knowing that every vibration of yours is part of the chorus of the stars?